My name is Jose Carlo Viloria. I am an aircraft mechanic.
Meet Aloy. He's one of the aircraft mechanics of a company based in Pasay City, Philippines. Their company ensures that each plane under their roof must undergo preventive maintenance in order to ensure safety for its passengers.
Ginagawa namin sir yung daily check ng aeroplano, yung maintenance before siya lumipad, and paglapag niya galing lipad, parang gano'n sir.
Aloy purchased a digital SLR to document and take landscape photographs of his travels. He attended the FPPF for Basic Photography Workshop.
Naisip ko kasi pagka nagta-travel ako, pangit naman kung hindi ko makukuha ng maganda. So, yun, naisipan kong bumili ng SLR, then eventually nag-enroll ako ng basic photography course.
In the FPPF workshop, Aloy gained insights and knowledge in improving his craft to learn more about his true potential in photography.
Ang dami kong nag-gain na knowledge, kumbaga nakita ko yung improvement ng shots ko, kumbaga parang na-enhance talaga yung potential ko sa photography. Nag-improve yung compositions ko, yung style nung pagkuha ko mas nag-iba na. Tapos, yun, pagdating sa exposure, mas madali na akong makakuha ng tamang exposure pagdating sa photographs ko.
Aloy discovered that he loves doing more than landscape photography. Today he is also doing portraits and events photography.
Bali yung photography ko mostly landscape sir. Dahil nga mahilig ako mag-travel. So yun, yung mga lugar na pinupuntahan ko, kinukuhanan ko siya. Tapos ngayon sir, nahilig din ako sa portrait. Then ngayon, nag-shoot na rin ako ng mga events. Mahilig na rin po ako mag-travel, plus sa trabaho ko po kasi namin, libre po kami sa airfare. So yung privilege po na yun yung ginagamit ko para maano yung hobby ko. Iba yung naibibigay sa'yo ng photography, lalo na when it comes to stress, parang nakakatanggal siya sobra ng stress.
Aloy embraces the fact that each of his photograph brings to him a sense of achievement, especially when he shares his photographs in social media sites.
Laking achievement pag halimbawa, mayroon kang napakagandang shot, tapos in-upload mo siya sa mga social networking sites, tapos yung tipong inuulan siya ng maraming likes, parang ang laking achievement sa sarili mo yon.
Aloy acknowledges what the FPPF has told him during his basic photography workshop, that a photograph must have a deeper meaning, a story that goes on and on.
Tulad ng laging sinasabi ng mga instructor, kailangan it paints 1,000 words, parang gano'n. Kailangan isang tingin pa lang, hindi tapos kagad yung story ng photo mo. Kailangan sobrang daming kwento hanggang sa hindi na siya natatapos.
According to Aloy, there are two things beginners in the craft should bear in mind.
Two things. Yung una, pag-isahin mo yung mind, eyes, tsaka heart mo. Kasi pag nangyari yun, dun lumalabas yung picture-perfect photographs. Tapos yung last, never stop learning. Parang i-explore mo nang i-explore yung photography kasi yung photography napakalawak niyan eh. Huwag kang mag-i-stick sa isa lang. Kailangan bawat subukan mo pa rin.